Good afternoon, dear. Now we have completed the chapter Life in Temperate Grassland. Today I summary of the chapter and NCRT solution, dear. We have post on WhatsApp group. You may be copied from your group. And in this chapter, we have discussed about the two temperate grassland. One temperate grassland, another one is the tropical, and one is the prairies, another one is the wild grassland. So we have discussed in this chapter here about the climate, land structures of the prairies and wild grassland, wildlife, and the occupations of the different people who are living in that area. So first we are discussing about the prairies. Prairies is located in Northern America, which extend till the from America to till Canada, and it is surrounded by the western side Rocky Mountain and Great Lake. And prairies climate mostly found minus 20 degrees Celsius during the winter and 20 degrees Celsius during the summer. Or prairies is famous for the surplus production for a wheat. In this area, most of peoples are engaged in agriculture activity here. Or they are doing their agriculture activity with the high tech, with the upgrade, with the updatation or with the upgrade or in such manner by using of the high technology. They also send their sample to the lab and later on their test soils will be tested inside the lab. Later on the what crops should be grow in that area in particular field. They also supervise their field with the cameras, with the satellite, and they spray the pesticide with the help of technology. So high tech technology they are using for agriculture purpose. Why? Because that area is the less populated. Land is available for the cultivations, agriculture. And mostly what type of the animal found in that area? That is the, buffalo, American buffalo is common in that area. That is known by the bison. And ranches group are found that known as the cowboys. And there are many enclosures are found in that area. Enclosures with the Badabandi. Such enclosures, many people they doing the mixed farming with the cultivation, they also rear the cattle and the sheep for production, dairy production, and other use. And they also doing the mixed farming in that area. That is the prairies. Okay. Another one we have discussed the wild grassland. Wild grassland is located in South Africa, close to the Tropic of Capricorn, and it is surrounded by western side by the Kalahari Desert, and it is the Kalahari Desert located at the wet grassland, and Drakensberg Mountain located at the eastern side. Drakensberg Mountain located eastern side of the wet grassland, western side Kalahari Desert, and wet grassland into divided into two parts. One is the highland well grassland, high well grassland. That height is the more than the 1600 meter. Height of the high well grassland is the 1600 meter, and average height of the well grassland 600 meter to 1100 meter. And what are the common wildlife found in this? Like a tiger, cheetah, leopards are found in that area. What type of climatic condition in wild grassland? Minus 5 degree temperature mostly during the winter. During the summer, Johannesburg is a city which receives the 20 degrees Celsius, and mostly a mild climate are found, and that area receives the rainfall from Feb to November. Feb to November, that area receives the rainfall, and reverse climate happens compared than our country. When we feel the winter in a wild grassland, there will be a summer. Reverse climate is found in the wild grassland, and wild grassland famous for the what type of occupations done in wild grassland. Mostly mining is main. Another one dairy farming also, and that area is famous for the gold and the for diamond production. So Kimberley is the diamond mines, famous diamond mines located in that area, and Johannesburg is known as the world capital city in the world, and Johannesburg is the famous city located in that area. And most of people wear the heavy robes during the summer to protect themselves. And another one, they also rear the sheep. And Pashmino sheep is the famous for their woolen, and it is the famous world brand woolen given by the Pashmino. So Pashmino is famous in that area, and that is dairy production is famous, mining, many multi-story building we can see in that area. So this is the detail of the wild grassland. So now dear, we have discussed about the prairies and wild grassland. NCRT solutions, simple question answer are given in your textbook, and tomorrow onwards we'll start the new chapter here.